Thank you, everybody. My name is Dr. Shaktipada Sit, Principal, Shusti Electro-Homeopathy Medical College and Institute. I want to discuss, I want to discuss electro-homeopathic materia medica. Today, I shall be discuss about cancerous group of remedy. You know, cell is the structural and functional unit of human body, and it is composed of cell, membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Cancerous group of remedy acts on all these parts. This cancerous group of remedy acts on the cell membrane and protect the degeneration of cell. Number one. Number two, this group of remedy acts as anti-polymerization. Number three, this group of remedy acts on DNA and RNA of cellular nucleus. Number four, this group of remedy helps to cell division. Now, I shall be discuss about cancerous group of remedies, essential plant, that means common plants which are present in original cancerous group of remedy, that means cancerous 1 or C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C10, C13, C15 and C17, which are the original remedy of cancerous group. In this group, 4 common medicines are present, which are called essential plants, which are present original cancerous 1 of cancerous 1, cancerous 2, cancerous 3, cancerous 4, cancerous 5, cancerous 6, cancerous 10, cancerous 13, cancerous 15 and cancerous 17. In those 10 original medicines. Now, I shall be clarify the cancerous group of remedy, which are the common plants, that means 4 common plants which are present in those original medicines. Number 1, Conium maculatum. Number 2, Vince toxicum officinalis. Number 3, Pimpinella saxifraga. Number 4, Ras toxicodendron. Now, I shall be discuss one by one what are the parts used in cancerous Conium maculatum, Vince toxicum officinalis, and in their ingredients and medicinal functions. Number 1, Conium maculatum. Conium maculatum, its ingredients was found in Conium maculatum: canine, methyl canine, pectin, resin, gum caffeinic and acetic acid. In those ingredients, it has the medicinal function in cancerous group. It acts on the gland, nerve, muscle, fiber, etc. etc. Number 2, common or essential plant which are present cancerous group of original and cancerous group of remedy. Number 2, Vince toxicum officinalis. Its ingredients was found Vinsar toxino, and number 2, glycoside was found in Vince toxicum officinale. As per ingredients of Vinsar toxino and glycoside in Vince toxicum officinalis, its medicinal function was found in cancerous group of remedy. It acts on the cellular membrane and prevents the cell growth, that means dropsy, diuretic, etc. Number 3, plants Pimpinella saxifraga. Its ingredients was found essential oil, saponine, pimpinellin. In 3 essential ingredients was found in Pimpinella saxifraga. As per ingredients, its medicinal function was found in cancerous group. It acts on the gland, diuretic, digestive gland, etc., etc. Number 4, Rhus toxicodendron. Rhus toxicodendron's ingredients was found cadol, toxicodendryls, resin, etc. As per 3 ingredients, it acts on nerve cell, tissue, immune system, arthritis, etc., etc. In composition of Conia maculatum, Vince toxicum officinalis, Pimpinella saxifraga, Rhus toxicodendron, in cancerous group, its resultant action was found on cell, tissue, gland, etc. It is also called tissue remedy. It prevents, because it prevents the damage of cell, that means cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, etc. And it also cure, prevents and protect the cancer cells, etc. Thank you very much. I shall be discuss descriptively in part 2, one by one. Please follow my video. Thank you very much.